Hello, Talk community, and hello, YouTube and TikTok. Hello, YouTube and social media. In 1 minute. So, today I will show you guys how you can fix your bathroom if anything loose. Okay? I've already fixed stuff off the camera, but I will unscrew it and re-screw it back in. For me, as a builder, maybe in the near future, later, when I get out of age, should be a good builder. Can't wait. So, I will show you how you could fix one of your bathrooms. Let's close the door. See? You see how freaky that is? So, I will show you how you guys fix that closet door, if anything. See? The door is good. But I will see this way here. You unscrew it and we screw it back in. Okay? So let's do it. Okay, you guys can see me, right? You just unscrew it. Let me glue it. Let me take this out. Okay, you guys see me gluing it? No, we're gonna glue this. Okay, this one is laying there. Okay, let me undo it. Okay. Well, I'm gonna glue it back in and I'll show you how you could glue it back. Glue it. I'll show you how it. See, look, I'm getting screws fall out. And now I'll show you. Let's say this fall, and then say those fall with it. Right. Okay, like this. Okay, let's say this fall out. Okay. See? Oh no. My door handle fall. Look at me, door handles fall. Let me show you guys. Look at that. The door handle, the door engine that helped the door close fall off. It's right here.